The observatory was his sanctuary, a bubble of silence suspended under a canopy of silent stars. He'd spent a decade listening to the quiet hum of the universe. His nights were a patient ritual of sifting through cosmic static, searching for a single coherent whisper in an ocean of noise. Most nights, the ocean was empty until something broke through. A tiny rhythmic pulse. Faint, but there. Adrenaline surged. He isolated the frequency, filtering layers of interstellar dust and radiation, his hands flying across the console to clean up the sound. But the amplified signal wasn't a code or a language. It was a sound. The wet, ragged sound of panicked breathing, gasping in total darkness. He ran the origin data. The signal was from deep space, impossibly far away. But it wasn't a relic from the past. The system timestamp was irrefutable. It was a broadcast from the future, from 2 days from now. And as he listened, a cold certainty settled in his bones. He knew that terrified breathing. It was his.